lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I know what you're thinking. You're in the car again? Yes, I'm in the car, and you know when I'm in the car, what time it is? It's time to do some more shopping. We finally completed the coffee station, and if you haven't seen the coffee station reveal and makeover, you should definitely check out my last video. It was cute, simple, and it was easy to do, and I think you guys would love it if you didn't already check it out. Today, our goal is to complete the nook in the kitchen. I really do need to look for like a cushion to place on there, or I may have to DIY and make it myself. Hopefully I don't have to, because I don't feel like making anything, but if I have to, I will, because you know I want to save some money. And if you guys don't already know, I took my coffee table from my living room and I transformed it into a banquette, and I painted it to match my kitchen cabinets. And if I'm confusing you, you should definitely check out the painting my cabinets video. I'll have them down in the links down in the description. You'll know more what I'm talking about. I took it, transformed it, painted it, and now I'm making it into the banquette. And guys, it's solid, but I already have a video about that, so I'm not gonna even go into that. Just go check that video out after this one. So this is what I'm looking to do. I want to add a gallery wall here. Really quickly, I wanted to mention why I really need to make it a gallery wall instead of adding a big painting, which would be nice and minimal. But in this case, you can see that I have an electrical box on one end, and on the other end, I have a phone cord outlet. But yeah, I really want to get a little table to go on this side, just so I can have my little coffee, sit down. I really want to optimize the space and make it so that I can really utilize it in any kind of way, but still be comfortable and cozy. So I want to make it practical. That's the goal, guys, for today. Oh, well, of course, I'm always looking to have plants, guys, so I'll look for that. I'm going to be checking out Ikea. As soon as I walked in to Ikea, I saw this cute little side table, and I was wondering if it would work in the nook, because remember, my nook is really small, so side tables might be my best option. But it was white, but I'm keeping it in the back of my mind. So at this point, I was keeping my options open and just checking out different departments to see what would work. I love the Ikea showrooms. They're so inspiring. Look how beautiful these chandeliers are. Beautiful. But I did come across this table, which normally most people would gravitate to for their nook, but because my nook is not big at all, at first glance I knew that it would not fit in the space. But you know what, guys, thinking about it, I have a huge disclaimer. Disclaimer, I have to say this really quick, because I feel like in the last couple of videos that it just seems that I've just been shopping a lot, ordering things, and that's not the message I'm trying to convey. By no means am I trying to promote or encourage you to just go shopping every day or every week. I really encourage you to save your money and be wise with your spending, and get what you need and don't get what you don't need. I really truly believe that, and that's why minimalism is really important to me, especially during these times, to be wise with your spending and, you know, keep your money tight. The whole goal of my channel is to inspire you to create a home that is cozy, that is inspiring you to be your best self, but at the same time, keep your wallet tight. Make sure you don't spend all your money on things you don't need just because you want to have it or just because your neighbors have it. Spend money on things that you actually need and things that you know and love will inspire you daily and make use and bring some positivity to your life. And of course, keep your mind right. We always want to make sure we keep our minds right. So guys, please don't use my shop with me's as encouragement to just go out there and spend your money, because that is not the goal here. The goal is building a foundation, building a space in your home or your home altogether that is going to inspire you to be your best self. I just had to give that little disclaimer, and I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys can relate and appreciate me just making that little little disclaimer and just kind of reminding you what's important. So yeah guys, so I rambled enough, I talked enough. Let's get this shopping on the way and see what we find out there. And yeah guys, I totally forgot that I need pillows for the banquet as well. I know I need cushions, but I also need pillows so that way it can be comfortable on the back. And I love this pillow. This is like a classic IKEA pillow. Anybody who knows IKEA and shops at IKEA often, you've seen these pillows, and I've always loved them. I just never had anywhere to put them. And I tried to stay away from the very common stuff, but they were too cute. And I figured it's just a banquet that I should definitely add this to my collection. But first I got to see what I'm going to pair it with. So I decided to go down to the pillow department and see what they had. And they did not have much. As you'll see, they had a lot of pillows actually, but a lot of the pillows they had were kind of cheap, flat, or not the size I'm looking for, not the color I'm looking for, not the right texture for me. So it was just a little bit of mixing, matching, and looking to see what my options were. And yes, like this pillow right here, the pattern was cool, but so thin. But I did come across their pillowcases, and I think that's why it's so good to go to IKEA sometimes, because they always give you options. You can buy the foundation of the product, and you can always dress it up with new sleeves, new covers, new something. They always have that option, and I love that about IKEA. So you find a pillow that you want with the right quality, the right fluff, or whatever it may be, and then you choose the pillowcase that you want. And I think that's a great option for people who are looking to switch it up without getting expensive new pillows. At this point, I pretty much found what I was looking for and started winding my way down and getting ready to exit. And guys, how cute are these vases? I mean, they're so beautiful. If I wasn't so afraid to have too much clutter, I would definitely pick one up just for the heck of it, but it's not needed, and I don't think you should pick it up if you don't need it either. But it's so cute. And of course, I had to stop by the flower department. Oh my gosh, this flower pot, so cute. So cute, guys. That would be really cute to put on my little table in the Nook area. And I saw some real plants, of course. And yeah. Also gonna check a few other stores like Ross or Home Goods to see what I can find there for like some artwork. And I really want to create a gallery wall because I do love to have inspirational words. I think it would be great in your little Nook area, that when you wake up in the morning and you actually stop to get your coffee or your tea, you have a little bit of inspiration and a little bit of reminder there, just to kind of just boost your spirits and remind you what's important. As you can see, the first stop was Ross, and it was slim pickings, guys. It wasn't too much stuff on shelf, barely any, but I did see some cute stuff here at Ross. Like I said, it's not that many stuff, but you can't go wrong with some of Ross's word art because they're pretty affordable. And as you'll see, the prices are not bad. You just kind of have to find what you need to find, and hopefully they have what you're looking for. But like I said, it was slim pickings. Prior to COVID, these shelves would be packed. Like you would have endless options. Now it's super slim pickings. There was a lot of coffee word art, which were really cute. As you know, I just did my coffee station, so that would have went well there as well. But because my coffee station is right across from my new Nook, I can still have one of those word arts that incorporate coffee or something like that. Now I'm at Home Goods. If you thought Ross was slim pickings, guys, you'll see how fast I get out of here. Literally, this is all they had. All they had. And it was like scattered. It wasn't even all in one place. They had some really cute stuff, but not enough to say I'm going to make it a one-stop shop. Nope. Very slim pickings. I actually was very disappointed because I had high hopes that Home Good would have everything I'm looking for, but I was wrong. This led me to my next stop, which was stop number 4, Dollar Tree. You know what I always say? Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. And believe it or not, they were a little flimsy, I'm not gonna lie, but you definitely have some options here. And if you don't like some of the framing on some of them, you can definitely switch them out. But these right here were perfect. You didn't need new framing. But other than that, that was it. So I wanted to check out one more place, and we cannot forget Hobby Lobby. I can always count on Hobby Lobby when it comes to word art. And if you're not familiar with Hobby Lobby, it's a Christian based store. So you're almost always all year round can find word art, positive word art, faith-based word art all year round, all year round. And yeah, and I was able to find several pieces that I loved from here, and it worked out great because I did want to make sure that my gallery wall, like I said, I wanted to be positive and inspirational words, but of course I would want to include some verses, some scriptures in there as reminders in my daily routine. So Hobby Lobby ended up being a perfect stop. I'm excited. Hopefully we can transform this space and keep it minimal, but make sure you stay tuned to the next video so you can see how I kind of make up the Nook. And as you know, the Nook is pretty small because I'm really making the best of the space, so it really shouldn't take that long. So lovely people, thank you for watching.